Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have always wanted to write your first blog but don't know where to start, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through my 4-step process that I personally use and also teach inside my courses Mastering Content Writing. By end of this video, you will not only know how to write your first blog but also how to make it clear, engaging and professional. So grab your notebook and let's start your blogging. First one, the 4-step process. When I started blogging, I used to write without a plan, and that's exactly why most beginners get stuck. So I developed a simple 4-step formula that works every single time. First is choose your topic. Second one, do your research. Third one, write your first draft. And the fourth one is edit and polish it. These 4 steps will help you write confidently even if it's your very first blog. Choose your topic. The first step is all about choosing what to write about. The best way to start is to pick a topic that you already know or love talking about. Because when you're emotionally connected to your topic, your words flow more naturally. But here's the catch. Don't just write what you like. Write what people are searching for. You can use free tools like Google Suggest or SEO tools like Mangools or Semrush to find topics people are already searching for. Example, if you're into skincare, instead of writing a general blog like skincare tips, something more specific like 5 daily skincare habits for glowing skin. Specific topics attracts better readers and rank higher on Google. Always start with a keyword that solves a problem. That's how people find you online. Research your topic. Once you have your topic, the next step is research. Good writers don't just write, they collect ideas first. Here's how I do it inside my course. First one, open Google and read the top 3 articles for your topic. Second, note down what they are covering and what's missing. Third, use tools like Neuron Writer or Surfer SEO to analyze what keywords they are using and how their content is structured. This helps you understand what works and what you can do better. Don't copy content, instead combine ideas and rewrite them in your own style. That's what makes your writing original and valuable. Now comes the most exciting part, writing your first draft. And I know this is where most people freeze. They open a blank page and their mind goes blank too. So here's my secret formula. Start with hook. Add your main content. End with a takeaway. Example, let's take a real example. How to stay focused while working from home. Now I will show you how I would write the intro paragraph. Working from home sounds like a dream until your phone buzzes, laundry calls and Netflix tempts you at 2 p.m. Stay focused in one of the big challenges remote workers face. But with few simple strategies, you can create a work routine that's productive, peaceful and perfectly balanced. This starts with a relatable moment, adds a small problem and then promises a solution. And this is how you hook your readers instantly. After your introduction, move to your main points. Each section should answer a question or solve a mini problem. Like set clear work hours, create a distraction-free space, use a task manager, also take a short breaks. Explain each one clearly with short paragraphs, examples and friendly tone. Once you have covered your main points, write a short conclusion, like summarizing what the readers learned and what they should do next. Edit and polish. Congratulations, you've written your first draft, but we are not yet done. Now comes the editing, the most important step that turns your writing from good to great. Here's how I do. First, read your blog aloud. Next, check grammar and readability using tools like Grammarly or Neuron Writer's Content Score. Cut out unnecessary words. If a sentence sounds heavy, simplify it. Next, add your final touch. Headings, bold words, bullet points and call to actions. It is very important that you make a daily plan in order to stay productive. I teach inside my course Mastering Content Writing. Inside the course, I go deeper into how to find trending topics, how to research like a pro, how to structure every paragraph, and how to edit your writing with AI tools. You will also get templates, writing exercise, and my personal writing frameworks. So now you know how to write your first blog. from ideas to publishing. Remember, your first blog doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be published, because the more you write, the better you become. If you want to master content writing step by step, join my course, Mastering Content Writing. The link is in my bio and the description below. You will get lifetime answers, real exam and one-to-one feedback directly from me. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe it for more writing lessons and comment below. See you in next video.